Magic Cam's live, bro.
Wave!
Hi.
Oh yeah, bam! Cool sunglasses.
These are retarded friends.
What now? Don't you judge my sunglasses. Actually, they're your sunglasses, so.
My sunglasses.
Ah!
Oh, sunglasses for a sec.
What are you doing?
Oh, yeah,
No! I stole your sunglasses.
Oh, for like a minute.
Fine. Oh my god, it's freaking bright.
Damn straight.
Oh my god. It hurts.
That's what it is. Like,
Oh yeah,
That's
Mr. Sheriff.
that's it.
You need it.
That's it. That's all it is.
Did you just say sassy?
No.
Oh. Well, I have headphones in, so I'm not really listening. Canada's Wonderland. What? If people hear us, they probably think we're insane.
That's okay, except we are anyway. I mean, that's
Yeah, we are.
Oh!
Oh yeah.
Boss.
Yup. It's happening.
Yeah, it's happening.
It's hot out. We're in the jungle. There's like no civilization. We're literally in the jungle. Uh-oh. 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 Crossroad. Let's go this way.
I'm just following you. I want to go to this damn log.
What?
I want to go to this log.
Oh yeah.
Wherever this adventure log is.
Yep. Me and Damien went there. And yeah, you just touched my sweaty back just to say.
Like I give a shit.
Yeah, we're going to this log that I went to yesterday. Ow! Ow!
You imagine.
That hurt! Why did you smack my back? That hurt!
That was stunting.
That's like worse than someone pulling the bra straps.
Really?
Yes.
Yeah. That's pretty bad.
That almost made me fall over. I really hurt. Abuser, right here. Right here. Oh my god, look at this grossness. Oh my god, my pool is literally this color. My pool looks like that. It's gross.
Look how hot it is. Look what happened to my water bottle. What the fuck?
His water bottle just got raped.
Why is there? By your mom!
Oh my god! Alright, we're on our way to the log. We're almost there. There's a lot of bugs. Oh, that was very zoomed in on my face. Sorry. My sweaty lip. No! Don't water down my camera.
I'm not going to.
Good.
Wow.
Oh my god! That's right. I can't say it on camera because I'll just look like a weirdo.
What? The fuck it? We are weirdos. Who cares? I mean, really.
I can't sing out loud because this is the video, and if people know that I'm singing this song, they'll think I'm a loser.
You already are.
You like the song too, so, and we're videotaping, I think.
What is it anyway? Who gives a shit?
Anything. Stop, Allison. Stop singing. Stop singing. Alright, we're in the jungle, literally. No civilization. We're in a dirt trail. It's over there.
With limited resources of water.
Huh? Oh my god! We're gonna die. We're running out of water. Oh my god. Oh my god. Alright, we're coming close. I'm taking you on a tour. And yes, I just said tour.
A tour.
A tour.
A tour.
A tour.
Tour.
Oh my god, I see it! Ready? 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 Nope, wrong turn.
Right.
I know. You have to hurry up. You have to keep up with the tour. Yeah, we're almost there.
I'm not excited.
Ready? Ready? Look! Ah! It's awesome. Come on.
I just started falling down a tree.
No. Hello, Matthew. We're in the water. Oh! Camera does not. No. No. I'm sorry. Oops. Where's the guy? There's like a guy here with a metal detector. Oh yeah, I'm yelling again, aren't I? Matthew, I love you. I love you. I love you. I love you. I love my brother. Oh yeah. In the water. Yeah. With Matthew, I always get my way. He's my brother. Plus my bestie. Yeah. Oh yeah. Literally in the water. Let's walk deeper. Let's see. Actually, I don't want to. No. Okay, I'm